So here we are with most of the colours. We're waiting on red, and we're going to do a colour run through. Please like and comment down below, and if you're considering buying a Tesla and this helps, please do use my SuperCharger mile code. That really helps us out. But definitely subscribe as well. That helps more. So we're going to have a run through of red when he eventually arrives. So I may as well get started. So we'll do the walk arounds. So those are the beautiful colours. And then we'll have one come up there. And then I'll just do a walk around each car. So let's start with the white. That is a very stunning white colour. And he's got the sleeper performance version. That's the back of all the cars. And we're waiting on Dwayne to make a good entrance. Now I may as well go back over here. Do a walk around here. That's all that. So that's a white. And then we've got the black one. Which is nice. And he's got standard range there. He's got the wheel covers there as well. And he's also tinted his car back in black. That's very nice. Got the sun there as well. And then here's the dark grey, midnight silver, for all those playing along at home. Beautiful sun catching the car there. I like the little sticker. Back of the car now. Let's see if I can put that one. That's the grey. And then we got my blue. Good run through all the way around. Looking at the back. The tree coming, sorry guys. Get that rear 3/4. That's a beautiful sight. Look at that. Perth City in the background. Look at that red. That's a nice red. That's right. So this is the elusive red. And look what he's done as well. He's got the beautiful Tesla logo on the back, just like Franz. That's beautiful. Look at that. That's very nice with the black interior. So we are all on Envoy at the moment. Check that out. Isn't that a beautiful thing? A thing of beauty. We finally did it. The Trinity, no, what do you call it when there's 5? Quintuplet.
Quintet. 42 plus 55.
Yes. We made it. Alright. Alright, so we got the Rock and Red right here. Check that bad boy out. I love it. And we're here in beautiful Perth, where we've got all the beautiful colours lined up. How amazing is that? That is a thing of beauty. I wonder if we can get a good shot with the backs of them all. Check that out. The good old Perth in the background. Alright, so we'll do another. If I can zoom it out. White. I think that's pretty much it that I can really record. Don't think there's anything really else too crazy aside from the backs, and even then they all look absolutely beautiful. Are you a fog light? What?
Yeah, we all got the fogs. The early ones had fogs. They were built with them, so they didn't turn them off. Have you got the luggage hooks in the front?
No. Oh, can you show me those?